Most people you see eat every day, but do you know it's just very few that actually eat to build their body and their mind. So these 5 food I'm going to be talking about in this video will actually make you stronger, sharper, and even more energized. If you can just take them once a week, you will see massive changes in your body. So today, I want to make healthy living simple, powerful, and doable. And because of that, you will discover in this video 5 foods backed by science that fuels your body and brain, plus how to use them the smart way. The number 1 on my list is of fatty fish like the salmon, the sardine, or the mackerel. These fish I just mentioned are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Do you know what this omega-3 fatty acid actually do in the body? It protects your heart, sharpens your focus, and then reduces inflammation. Isn't that amazing? Woo! So now let me burst your bubbles. Are you aware that your brain is about 60% fat? And the omega-3s are the premium oil it runs on. And I'll be giving a little bonus tips for those who do not eat fish. You see, flax seeds and chia seeds, they fill in this gap for you, so you can make do with those ones. As long as you don't eat fish, you can still get your omega-3s from that source. My number 2 is dark leafy greens. When I mean the dark leafy greens, I mean the spinach, the kale, or the moringa. They are all packed with magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. With all of these they are packed with, I want to let you know that these are essential for oxygen transport in your body, muscle function, and even energy. So you see how important it is to add them to your diet. Do you know that these grains you see, they don't just detoxify the body, but rather they fuel the body. Let me just give you another little bonus tips. You can just add a handful of this vegetable or this leafy green to omelette, soup, or even smoothies. It is simple but then powerful. Now I'm on the number 3, and this one is the egg. Eggs, you see, are one of the most complete natural protein on earth, and they are loaded with choline. Because they are loaded with choline, let me give you a little breakdown how this choline works. This choline, you see, supports the brain health and memory. Let me shock you now. Are you aware that just one egg fuels the brain, muscle, and even metabolism? Eat boiled egg, scrambled egg, or even in your oatmeal. Just aim for 4 to 6 eggs weekly, depending on your diet anyway. Number 4 on my list is the berries, and these include the blueberries, the strawberries, or even the blackberries. These berries you see are full of antioxidants that protect your brain from aging and also improve memory. Naturally, do you know what berries do? They help the brain clean up waste and perform better. Right now, I'm on the last but not the least. The number 5 on this list is nuts and seeds. These nuts and seeds, you see, they are so healthy that even just a handful of walnuts, almond, and even pumpkin seed can improve your strength, endurance, and even focus. I thought I've said it all. Do you know they are also rich in healthy fats, zinc, and even vitamin E? You know what? These trios I just mentioned keeps your brain young and your body strong. Just try them as snacks. Add them to your salad. Do you know why? They are nature ready-made energy bars that supplies you with energy. So here is a weekly checklist for a stronger body and a sharper mind. We have the fatty fish, leafy greens, egg, berries, nuts and seeds. Just start small, add one each week, and your body will feel the difference. It works like magic. So thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, please give the video a thumbs up or a like. It really helps the channel grow. And drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And finally, don't forget to subscribe if you've not for more health tips from Aster-Care